Now, Thinkorswim platform is a really cool platform that anybody with TD Ameritrade account can utilize in order to day trade, invest into any of the securities that are available with TD Ameritrade. And in this video, we're just going to go ahead and talk about how to set up a stop loss through your Thinkorswim platform. Now, once you're logged in into your account, all you need to do is just go ahead and go into your positions. And then once you're in your positions, just click on the stock that you would like to sell. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and click on Bank of America. You can either click on the stock itself or just put a check mark on the left-hand side. In my case, I'll just go ahead and put the check mark and then click on Close Selected. If you click on Close Selected, it's going to transfer you into the same exact page that you could have gotten into if you would have just wanted to trade, ask, or buy. I'll show it to you. So if you close this and still go to Bank of America, you can click on either sell or buy. So those are the buttons I'm talking about. So let's click on sell and we'll find ourselves on the same exact page. So the stop loss that needs to be selected first is going to be on this, under the sell side on the right-hand side, right? So click on stop. We're going to select a quantity, which is 1 share of Bank of America. Then the stop type is going to be ask. I want to be at the price once it hits that specific level. And I'm going to go ahead and put $34 per share. So done. And then once we are at a stop of $34, it's going to show us the cost of the trade and position effect to close. Time in force is going to be either day or good till cancel. Well, now you can ask me like, why can we not use the EXT, extended hours, or good till cancel until extended hours? It's because the stop loss doesn't come into effect during the extended hours or during the market hours that are closed, right? So over the weekend, for instance. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and do good till cancel because we never know when the price is going to go below that. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down. It's going to be from my default list, and we're going to review. I personally do not need to set that up, so I'm not going to proceed with that, but on this page, all you would need to do is just click on send. You're going to be good to go. Now let me show you something that is even more exciting and something that helps me tremendously throughout my day if I'm unable to execute a trade or if I'm a little bit cautious on the inside when I'm day trading or swing trading. So now, if I want to set up an order for something that I either do not own and then I want to purchase the share as well as have a stop loss on it, or if I own a partial position in that specific stock or in that specific security and I want to add on to the position and then create a stop loss, I can do the sequential order within the Thinkorswim platform. So let me show you how to do that. So let's say that we want to go to Bank of America. I own a 1 and a partial share of it. I want to buy a position, so click on buy, and then I would set up, let's say, I'll do a limit order, and I'll set it up at $35. $35 per share. So I'm going to scroll down, click on time in force. It's going to be good till cancel. I can always change that. But in this case, I would purchase 1 share of Bank of America at $35 once the price hits that target. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and create an advanced order is something that we need to click on in order to create that sequential order. You can click on advanced order and then click on first target sequential and then add order. Once you add that order, you can simply click on that specific order and then change the price of it to about, let's say that the price have gone up to $35 and decides to start coming down to about $34.50. All you need to do is click on save, and then time in force is going to be good until cancel. And then further down, you can scroll down and verify that the rest of the information is correct, and then click on group. And then you can see that the second order is only going to be fulfilled once the purchase has been made of the Bank of America. This way you can click on review and see that the order details are as follows. You would buy 1 share of Bank of America for $35 once the price hits that target. And then the second order is going to be to sell 1 share of Bank of America in case if the price starts falling to $34.50 target range. Hopefully you guys were able to find this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and we're going to come up with more videos like it. So hope you have a good one. See you in the next one.